Hey, welcome back to Track Day PPF. This episode we're going to be covering how to install headlights. And today we're going to be working on a 2020 Model 3 Tesla Performance. We've already went ahead and wrapped the whole vehicle. We did a color change on that. And the only things left that we need to do is we need to do the headlights. So real quickly, a brief overview. We've already cleaned and prepped the vehicle. I've already washed the headlights and clayed them and make sure that they're ready for application. So we've already printed it out, cut it out. So this is more about technique. So what I wanted to do is explain real quickly. We got a little bit of hot water with alcohol, and I'm going to spray it on the vehicle. Okay, we get nice lubrication. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and okay. All right. So now I have my pre-cut here. I'm going to wet it. Then I'm going to line it. Okay. More water. And we'll bring it in a little closer here so you can see the vehicle. Don't focus on me. Okay. Okay, now we can move it around. Let's align it here. Okay, that's good. Okay, got it aligned. And start squeegeeing it. Okay, now we are going to get rid of this tension here. Excuse me, we're going to put some tension in here so we can get rid of these fingers that are right here. So we want to make sure that we can move it. Okay, and we're going to pull it up and provide a little bit of tension. Okay, so with one hand you want to hold it, and with the other you want to provide tension so you can squeegee. Okay. Okay. All right. So we got it going well. Now we just have a couple of fingers down here and put a little bit of hot water and alcohol. Okay. All right. And we're just gonna squeegee that. Now when you're squeegeeing, you want to make sure you're overlapping the strokes, so that way you're removing all the water. You don't have any trapped water in there. And when you're done, it should look a little bit like this. And this is real time, so there's no delay on the camera. There's no camera tricks. This is here we go. Okay. Okay, so now we got the headlight 99% done. We still have a few fingers left. What we're going to do is take a clean, dry terry cloth, and I'm going to give it a wipe down to help wick some of that water away, and then we'll see where we're at. Okay, so now I'm back with the terry cloth here, and I am going to wick some of that water away. There you go. That's it. Now, truth be told, I think you still need to come back and wait for it to get a little dry, and to make sure that the wrinkles or the fingers, just make sure they stay down. But this is 99% done. I'm happy with the fitment. It's not that difficult. I am not an expert. If I can do it with my busted up hand, I think anybody could do it. So if you like this type of content, give us a thumbs up, follow us, and if you need any of the kits, visit our website, www.trackdayppf.com, and reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to take care of you. All right, peace. Have a good one.